it come out in 2024. What, really? That's how you, that's what we doing, Apple? You just like, while I'm talking, you like, okay, cool. The force of real against all things fake is very strong with her and very strong with us. Let me get on this. Maybe one day I'll be returned to my home planet safely and alive without it being an alien abduction.
Thank you, Grandma, for my toys.
Alright. Plus, I co-wrote the lyrics the day after Halloween, rhyming with the queen. Since 8, I've been great, carrying musical traits, been opening gates, now almost a teen. Hey, you! Hey, you!
You can see somebody.
Take it back on the track when Christmas was a whack, black hattie to the back.
The day after Halloween.
Love meant pride, ride the beat till we die. Take it back on the track when Christmas was a whack, black hattie to the back, not confused by power attack. Family was a vibe, not a thorn in your side.
I wish for a 3DSX. I wish for a 3DS XL. I wish for Play-Doh, a new tablet, and some Legos and more Legos. And I wish for a lot of Legos and some Lego sets.
So, good morning. I have on my coat because I'm going to capture rare footage of something in the wild. Come along with me. It's a rover, a rare rover, a sport, super turbo, with all the bells and whistles. But she got bad feet, baby. She got bad feet. This is my baby. This is my baby, Eargasm. It's my baby. Well, I am believing that in the new year, she will be back on the road. So it's gonna be a lazy day at home for the most part. I think I'm gonna fry some fish. Wanted some fish. We actually had fish last night. We went to Show Mars. It was quite delicious. But I wanted more fish. My mom wanted me to make some at home. It's like that. People prefer my food. It's like that. And she real picky, honey. You think she just eating my food because she love me. She ain't even. The force of real against all things fake is very strong with her and very strong with us. Let me get on this side real quick. Yeah. I'm not even cold, I'm telling you. Even though it's cold. I'm going to warm up some of the leftovers, the chicken and the fried cabbage and ranch mashed potatoes that I had. And then I'm going to watch Christmas movies. I'm quite excited about the opportunity to just chill today. And so that's what I'm about to do. I hope to find some new stuff. I think I saw a few new Christmas movies on Tubi. That's what I really want to do. I don't want to watch any classics, to be honest. Okay, so y'all, I'm not even going to front. I keep forgetting to just record. Record. Because I'm enjoying the days that I'm having with my people. And I just want to be present sometimes. And that's, that's very valid, right? Whether you agree or not, I could care less. All right. Yeah. I found this. Me and my mom we went to a couple of stores this morning before she stepped out to handle her BI because, she grown. And I found this stuck on glue at the Dollar Tree. And it was one of those items, those items at the Dollar Tree that actually retail for much more on other major shopping sites like Amazon. This one retails for almost $10, like, $9 and some change or whatever. And actually the reviews are pretty good, up to 4, because I feel like if I try to order the nailing glue that I use, it's not going to get here in time before New Year's, and then I'll be pissed off because basically my money will just be in limbo. And the way that my emotional intelligence and wisdom is set up is that we just going to try this, because even if I have to just wear something, for just the sake of New Year's Eve, this hopefully, based on the reviews, will do just that. Because I really am not a fan of nubs, I'll be honest with you. But I'm also not a fan of not having my nails done. If you know, and you've been subscribed, then you know how I roll. I am not a fan of perfect either, even though we know that I'm pretty much the closest thing to it, I would be amongst those who are, for sure. Anyway, so I'm going to give this a try. I think today, we'll see, because now I need to take off all these layers. I think I put on like 3 layers of this polish, and I'm just ready to have actual, full set on, even if it's press on. So we're going to review this and see how it does. Yeah. I think that will be in the cards today. And then I did find one movie, like We Shouldn't Be Sleeping, on Tubi. So this one's called The 12 Days of Christmas. And it did come out in 2024. What, really? That's what we doing, Apple? You just like, while I'm talking, you like, okay, cool. But yeah, 2024. So we're going to give this a try and see if it's good or whatever, and still support or whatever. Because you know how I feel about supporting Black film, indie film, especially indie artists. I don't believe in independent artists starving. And why am I talking like this? Yeah, it's going to be one of them days. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to make myself a coffee. I'm going to make a coffee to go with my leftovers. And then I'm going to chill. And then we're going to put on some nails. And we are going shopping. And again, because we didn't even make it to shopping yesterday. It didn't happen. So we went out to dinner after he and I went skating, and it was really nice. It was a lovely, lovely day. And so I'm hopeful for another lovely, lovely day. And what you saw was me cleaning my car. Well, you didn't see me clean my car. You saw the after. I cleaned Pearl, and I had a good cry. And we're not going to talk about it right now. We're just not. I'll talk about it another time, but we're not going to talk about it right now. But I did clean Pearl, and that's where we're at. Pearl's clean. there you have it. It was something else I wanted to tell you. Oh yeah, just in case it seemed as though there was a break in our convo, because I told you that that I was hosting a Christmas dinner. Well, my mother got in a little later than expected due to the traffic on the road, and I wanted to give her that time to just relax and not have to be forced immediately into my vlog as soon as she hit the door. Whereas my other guests came and they were well dressed and ready and all the things for, the holiday festivity, the holiday dinner, it just didn't seem appropriate. And they agreed. And we just chilled and we watched Cat Williams. And so that's why you didn't see that part recorded, because I said I was going to add it. And you know how I am. Like, if I say I'm going to do something, yeah, my yes is just, my no is no. Some people hem and haw. I don't hem and haw. And if I do chew my words, there is intentionality behind it, and I tell you. So, and I'm very proud of that trait that I have. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad, for teaching me to be a declarative speaker, and both in words and in actions and in that right there. Say it with your chest. But see, sometimes you don't have to say it with your chest like an asshole. Sometimes you just, and you can actually, most times I would be a declarative speaker. Be a decisive person. Be resolved. Have something about yourself. Be somebody. Damn. Anyway, now that we're done with that tangent, I'm going to warm up my delicious food and go ahead and watch 12 Days of Christmas. I'm not sure I'm going to like this, because y'all know I'm hyper monogamous, and so I don't like dating multiple people at one time, because I can't keep it all together. I'm not going to be able to keep it all together. I'm not going to be able to keep your birthdays together. I'm not going to be able to keep the specifics about your life together. I'm not going to be able to do that. So I know that I'm not from this planet. We all know at this point that I'm not from this planet. So I don't know if I'm going to like it, but maybe there'll be some humor in it. You know what I mean? It's kind of, it's to me, it's giving, two can play this game. What was that? Two can play this game, and Sprung and all the kind of stuff. Yeah, y'all love going out and just doing each other dirty and having messy lives. I'm not into that. I'm just not. Maybe one day I'll be returned to my home planet safely and alive without it being an alien abduction. But yeah, this is following a painful split from her longtime partner. A woman plunges. I know. The whole time it's been on, since I've been over there, it's just been right here. And Apple, chill out. We supposed to be locked in. They thinking we not locked in. We supposed to be locked in. Me and Apple locked in. Following a painful split from her longtime partner, a woman plunges into the online dating world, determined to find a partner for the holidays. See, none of that's me. And I'm not trying to be funny. I really am not. But I just don't. I don't get under another man to get over the one before. Like I just heal and I move the fuck on. Like if I gotta cry it out, I cry it out, and I move the fuck on. Cause this right here, this heart, this soul, this spirit is valuable to me. And I can't let nobody have my health. No man, not my health, not my psychological health, my physical health, my emotional health, my spiritual health, financial health. You can't have it. You can't have it. So, but anyway, I'm gonna give it a try, because it's independent. I'm gonna give it a try, and I'm gonna warm up my food, and then I'll get back with you when it is time to do my nails. I think and I'm on this. I definitely want to do them. I'd rather somebody else do them at this point. Just today. That's how I'm feeling today. I really want to just watch Christmas movies and then, just fry the fish or whatever and do the things. I don't know who all will be here today. So we'll see. We will see. But I don't know. It's either going to be today or tomorrow. With regards to the male goal, but I did want to bring it to your attention that I did find it because I think it's going to be. I think it's going to come in clutch. I think it's going to come in clutch. Oh yeah, honey. All right, let's get it. Here we go.
Now, as always, we ask every guest this question.
So what is Kevin Carr's secret to success in Black life?
Okay, so I had to change and I smashed and I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. And I love my people, but I had to push stop. And so we went on over to Lifetime because there's some beautiful Black movies for the holidays. And this is what we're doing now. Now look what Asa has done. That thing thinking. You see it? That is the coolest thing. I'm frying the fish. You say hello? Say hello to the vlog.
Hey.
Is the fish good?
It's real good. You don't have enough lighting over here.
I'm not giving them all the goods. They get just enough. We chilling. This is just the outro. Got my headphones in so while I'm editing, I don't disturb anybody. Bye. Happy holidays.